Hello everyone. Today our group assessment focuses on the analysis and discussion of two questions about two models of long-run economic growth. This is our group members. They are 崔鲁元、魏子浩、杨林帆、黄卓基. The table of contents of our presentation today, which is divided into 6 parts. I and my partners will introduce each part in detail for you respectively. Now we begin the first part, introduction. In this presentation, our team will try to understand and explain the differences in economic growth in different countries. Solo's neoclassical growth model and Romo's endogenous growth theory are the two main theoretical frameworks to explain long-term economic growth. This presentation will compare and analyze the similarity and differences between the two theories in explaining the determinants of long-run economic growth and explore why some countries grow faster than others based on Roman's endogenous growth theories. Next, we turn to the part 2 with my friend.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce the comparison between Solo's neoclassical growth model with Romo's endogenous growth theory. The neoclassical growth model, proposed by Robert Solow in the 1950s, revolutionized the way we think about economic growth. This model focuses on three key factors. The first one is capital accumulation. The second one is labor growth. The last one is the technological progress. According to Solow, long-run economic growth is driven primarily by technological advancement, which are considered externalities. The means that technological progress happens independently of economic activities and policy measures. The model also emphasizes the concept of diminishing returns to capital, implying that as capital increases, its annual contribution to output decrease. Next page. In contrast, Paul Romer's endogenous growth theories developed in the late 1980s and 1990s offer a different perspective. Romo argues that technological progress is not externals, but rather than outcome of economic activities and decisions with economic key factors driving long-run economic growth in Romo's model include investment in human capital, innovation, and knowledge spillovers. Next page. Unlike the neoclassical model, Romo's theories highlights increasing returns to scale, meaning that investment in research and development, R&D, education, and innovation can lead to sustained economic growth without diminishing returns screen in capital investment. The difference in explaining long-term economic growth for the technological progress. Solo is to exogenous technological progress. Romo is endogenous technological progress driven by R&D and knowledge accumulate return to capital. For the Solo's diminishing returns to capital accumulation. Romo is non-diminishing return to scale due to knowledge accumulation and innovation. Okay, next page. For the similarities and the difference between the two models, the similarities, role of capital. Both models emphasize capital accumulation for growth. For the Solo, diminishing returns. For the ROMO, enhances productivity by with limits. And for the technological progress, the key driver of long-term growth for Solo is exogenous. For the ROMO is endogenous through R&D and the innovation. Okay.
My part is about the Roma endogenous growth theory and explain economic growth differences. Move to the next page. R&D investments. The first one is innovation and improvements. R&D investments drives innovation, improving products, processes, and services. And the second one is competitive advantage. It helps companies maintain a competitive edge by adapting to market changes and securing intellectual property. And the third one is about economic growth driver. R&D fosters continuous technological progress, contribute long-term economic growth and global competitiveness. And the fourth one is historical significance. Historical example like the United States in the 1950s and 1960s highlights how substantial R&D investments can lead to significant economic expansion and prosperity. Move to the next page. And then it's about R&D personnel. The first one is R&D personnel's role. Highly skilled in scientific research and technology. R&D personnel drive innovation by solving complex challenges and pioneering advanced technologies. And the second one is impact on innovation. Globally, businesses and governments compete for top R&D talent due to its crucial role in adopting new technology across sectors, accelerating industry progress and sustainable economic growth. The third one is example. South Korea leads in memory semiconductors with a 96.9% market share achieved through continuous R&D investment. Move to the next page. And then it's about education level. The first one is education's role in economic development. Education level is crucial for fostering innovation and driving economic growth by developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And the second one is about the impact of education investment. With its high public education expenditure, 6.1% of GDP in 2019, Finland exemplifies the benefit of prioritizing education. And the third one is economic and entrepreneurial benefits. Investing in education supports entrepreneurship and technological advancement, contributing to sustained economic development. Move to the next part.
Okay, this is part four, case analysis, the US, China, and India. First of all, I want to say that as a world number one development country, the US has highly developed financial market that can effectively promote capital accumulation. The US has heavily invested in high-tech industries and scientific research, maintaining high R&D expenditure as a share of GDP. China has made scientific strides in technological innovation and policy, with strong government support through major programs and business incubators. India has achieved success in IT and service outsourcing, but face gap in basic tech R&D and high-end manufacturing, and is promoting digital transformation through in initiatives like Digital India. As you can see this chart, we'll see the R&D expenditures and about the GDP. Okay, next page. Okay, in this page, also you can see this chart, some explore and compare. The examples show that both the US and China have actively used the rumors, the endogenous growth theory to promote economic growth through knowledge, accumulation, and innovation. The US maintains its global economic leadership with munit innovation, uh, ecosystem, and high R&D expenditures, while China uh, accelerate technological progress and industrial upgrading through massive government support. The difference in technological innovation and the growth stages between two countries are likely to continue to evolve as global competition and 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 economic restructuring intensify. Okay, next page.
Based on Roman's endogenous growth theory, I will analyze India in four ways. The first is technological progress. The achievements of companies such as Infosys, TCS, and ISRO mark India's technological progress. However, India also faces challenges such as low investment in research and development at 0.7% of GDP, compared to 2.8% in the US and 2.4% in China. The second is human capital. Human capital issues include uneven levels of education, especially in rural areas, and a brain drain of graduates from Indian Institute of Technology. The next is knowledge accumulation. Knowledge accumulation is hampered by inadequate innovation ecosystem, per knowledge spread, financing challenges, and market constraints faced by startups. The last is policy support, where initiatives such as Digital India and Secure India aim to address these issues. This is a need for increased investment in research and development and education for sustained growth. At last, we do a conclusion. The solo model emphasizes the importance of capital accumulation and extra technological progress, while Roman theory emphasized the key roles of internal factors such as human capital, R&D investment, and institutions that support innovation. The US and some developed countries have strong innovation ecosystems that have maintained their economic leadership, while emerging economies such as China and India are transforming into high technology industries by increasing investment in research and development. Despite educational gaps and institutional challenges, it provides understanding opportunities for model economic growth. Roman's model provides a more comprehensive framework that emphasizes the priority of knowledge creation, innovation, and human capital development, and achieve sustainable growth through strong policies and institutions. The environment is crucial to long-term prosperity and resilience. Next are the references for our presentation today. Now our presentation is over. Thank you for watching and listening.